Walking back this way. Whoa! Crash! Uh-oh.
Good job.
Outfit, it rocks.
That outfit, it does rock.
It does rock. Let me just have another quick look at this outfit, Bridget. Where are you going? Look all the way. I was going up and down the body.
Do one of these, Bridge.
Or do one of your kicks against the wall. All right.
Do the under the leg clap.
Oh yeah, the under the leg clap you were just doing. Good. Can you do your hops?
You ready?
Mmm.
Catch.
I'm practicing my karate. One day I can do karate
Ah.
class.
Karate clap. Yeah, probably.
When mommy finds the bike karate class for me, I'm practicing for karate.
Are you getting out? Are you getting out?
I can do a kick down. No one else can do this but me. I'm gonna do a kick down.
Careful.
See, that's my kick jump down.
Mm-hmm.
I can do a kick run down. I can do a kick run up.
That's where I'll be losing my husband for the next couple of
That
months.
was my kick run up. I can do a kick jump down. Then a kick run up. No one else can do this but me. I'm the only one who can do it.
Good jump, Bridge. Bridgie, Bridget.
Watch this.
This game could just be ridiculous.
Watch this.